Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you in this video how I put my fruits to soak to make my Christmas cake. So here I have some cranberries. This is 150-gram cranberry. I'm just going to go ahead and add my cranberry. These are some dry cranberries. Another pack of 150-gram dry cranberries. And here I have some dried grapes, raisin, golden raisin, or white raisin, whatever you choose to call it. And this is 200 grams. Some brown raisin or whatever color raisin you choose to call this one, dark raisins, and this is 175 grams, so that is 375 raisins. I love raisins, guys. But you can go ahead and add any amount of raisin or any amount of fruit you would like to add to your. And here I have some prunes, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut the seed from the prune. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the seed from the prune and cut them in small pieces. I remember while growing up as a child, this was my favorite part of Christmas. To help my grandmother cut the fruits and prepare the Christmas cake. Well, this would be my job, to cut the fruits. And like there's no seed in this one. And remember guys, you can also go ahead and blend your fruits, but I'm just going to chop mine finely and put them to soak. I like to taste bits and bits of fruits in my fruit cake. That's the reason why I cut them small and not blend. But you can do whatever you like. So here I'm finished cutting my prunes. And this is about 300 grams of prune. You see the color? Normally, I would put mixed peel in this recipe, but I don't like the taste of mixed peel in my Christmas cake, so I'm going to leave out the mixed peel today. But if you like, you can go ahead and add mixed peel to yours. And now I'm going to add some cherries, but I do not have enough cherries, so I'm going to buy another jar of cherry to add. So I'm going to just put the cherry that I have. And this is 200-gram cherry. I'm going to buy 2 more of this to put in it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my liquid. So here I have my wine, and normally again I would use red label wine from Jamaica, but here in France I have no red label wine, so I'm going to use just a regular red, 1 cup of red wine. And since I'm a Jamaican, normally I would put the Jamaican rum in it, but I do not have Jamaican rum where I'm living. I can't get Jamaican rum, so I'm going to go ahead and use the next best thing and use the rum that I have. And it's also from the Caribbean, it's from Martinique. And 1 cup of rum. So here I have my fruit soaking. And I'll keep this inside the bottle until I am ready to bake, which is about 2-3 weeks from now. But normally you would let it soak for up to a year, about a year before baking. Thanks for watching.